What's going on, creators and streamers? Got some news for you that YouTube has dropped recently this week about their redirect. This is their way of allowing you to do hosting and raids over on YouTube Gaming for streams. So in this link here, they are going to show you a video that kind of goes through everything. That way you guys get a full understanding about it. So you can watch that. I'll link it in the video description below if you guys need more information on it. But essentially, what I wanted to point out, though, is that it says here that the feature is available to creators that have more than 1,000 subscribers and no community guideline strikes. This kind of sucks, in my opinion, especially for those of us small creators out there that don't have any, following on YouTube at all, and you maybe haven't hit 1,000 subscribers yet. So, unfortunately, you guys won't be able to use this. And the other thing that you also need to do is you have to be subscribed to the channel that you're wanting to do the raid for or the host for like the redirect or whatever. So you guys both have to be subscribing to each other. Now, the subscribing to each other part, I'm not too worried about. That makes a little bit more sense because it's like sending a friend to a channel and stuff like that. The whole thing about 1,000 subscribers, though, that I don't really like, because that pretty much, doesn't even give the opportunity for smaller creators who are just getting on the platform to be able to use a feature like this. So it's kind of taking a step forward and 2 steps back, in my opinion. But what I think they're doing is they are trying to avoid hate raids and stuff like that. Now, you can't completely avoid hate raids because people can just simply go into any stream that's available with their community, drop that link into their chat while they're live, and just spam the heck out of people and still have a hate raid. YouTube doesn't exactly have the best moderation tools, in my opinion, to be able to counter something like that just yet, but this is at least a good step in the right direction, but it does need some tweaks. So how does this all work, though? Well, what you're going to do is go into your dashboard and you're going to go down to settings. And once you get into your settings, you're going to go to the community tab and you're going to see live direct. This is where you're going to be able to put all the channels that you are going to want to be able to redirect everything to. Down here is where you're going to be able to see the direct. So once you are going through the setup for the stream and everything, you're going to go to redirect, click on add, and you can either do your videos or you can search for other channels if they actually have any streams or premieres that are scheduled. And what this will do is when your stream is over, it's going to do an autoplay, and it's going to autoplay to whichever stream or premiere or video that the streamer had set to for the community to go to, and it will automatically bring you guys there. Now, if you don't have autoplay on, then you're not going to be able to be brought over. You're going to have to click on the video to be able to get brought over to that stream or that premiere or that video or anything like that. So that is how that is for that. Now, if you do have a stream set up, so you're going to go to your content tab, go to live, and then in here, you're going to go and you're going to edit the details for it, and you're going to see customization. And within the customization, you'll have the redirect as well. So that way you can click on add, and then you can choose the video, or you can go to our channel and it will do the same thing there. So you have it in 2 different places that you can go and mess with the premiere for the redirect and everything like that. But that is essentially how YouTube is doing their whole redirect, hosting, rating, whatever we want to put it. It's, like I said, it's a step in the right direction. It took 1 step forward and it kind of put 2 steps back. YouTube is a little bit stricter on their guidelines, so that does make sense for them to be a little bit more harsh on how they go about giving permissions for people to be able to do things. So I think they just kind of look at it as wanting more established communities to have these features, which makes sense. But I still wish that the little guys that are just wanting to start and try to grow and everything also had some of these opportunities as well. But let me know what you guys think about the YouTube redirect. Do you think it's cool? Do you think that they need to tweak it a little bit? Do you think that the whole sub for sub and needing to have 1,000 subscribers is a bit ridiculous? Let's talk about it in the comment section below. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, if you're looking for more stuff like this and videos about content creation and streaming, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to also comment, like, share, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Take care.